Top 5.
Edward Tools. Heavy-duty fine carbon steel extra strength gripping jaws, strong side, cutting wire pliers used for gripping, compressing, bending, twisting, extracting and cutting various materials.
Top 4.
Stanley. Length 689 and approved for working around live circuits that do not exceed 1,000 volts. They are resistant to temperatures from -20 degrees to +70 degrees Celsius, making them ideal for use in demanding or hostile environments.
Top 3.
Craftsman. Comfort and control. Linesman pliers have multi-zone by material grips, induction hardened. Cutting edges of cutting pliers stay sharper, longer strength and durability. Craftsman pliers are made from drop forged steel.
Top 2.
Wise Pro. The ergonomic handle provides comfort and control during use. Combination pliers is good use for home or work daily using, perfect for stripping, trimming, crimping. Easy to cut wire, copper and aluminum wire.
Top 1.
Knife X. Precision grade performance tools, the #1 choice of tradesmen worldwide, comfortable in use and quality or design fit to match the needs in the shop, at home or in the service field.